are you?
The fair.
You're at the fair, Jackson? Where are you? Where are you exactly from? We're in the art section of the fair.
And he's gonna show you Stitch.
Ooh, Barbie's famous chair. So cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh.
Ghost.
That's cute. That's cute.
Look at the castle.
Okay, but look at this. Now that's creative. That's cute. Yeah.
Ah! Whoa!
Barbie, don't touch, okay?
Look at the dinosaur.
Go, girl, go, go. Go down. You wanna go get on that one? Let's see how this one goes. Oh, this one's just a Ferris wheel. No?
Guys, I don't think I'm gonna get anything.
Too big. Too big? You think so? Liam, I'll give you $200 if you go get on that.
No, never,
Liam, I'll pay for it. Go get on it.
never, ever in my life.
Really? Jackson, will you do it? I'll give you $200. No?
I wouldn't even.
Malaya, I'll buy you a teddy if you get on that. Yes or no? 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 Oh.
Not even. I wouldn't even do that for $1 trillion.
What?
You do that for
Look how they're going, Liam. I would actually. Yeah. What?
Come on.
What? What is it? Why do you want to move?
Cause I'm scared.
Are you scared, mommy? We're here at the Stanislaus Fairgrounds. Here's my outfit.
All these guys are scared. People nowadays.
My boots are dirty. This is me with Liam. This is
Stop.
me with Jackson. This is me with Malaya.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Liam's about to get on this ride.
No, not.
Liam, look at them. They're flipping. That looks like fun.
Not at all.
Yeah, come on, let's get on there.
Look at those big feet.
That does look scary.
Look at all these teddies, guys. Look at the games. Oh! And look at these crazy people gonna go on this ride.
You want to watch that?
Yeah, do you
Oh my goodness, they're about to flip.
Yeah, they're too crazy to do that.
Malaya, look!
No, they are gonna go up.
You think they're gonna flip? Oh my goodness. Jackson's getting scared. Yeah, look at this game. You want to do this game? Hold on. Let me.
Guys, look. It's Mario and Country. Look, it's Mario. Let me show you. They got Mario, they got Mario, and I do not know who that is. Okay, guys. These are more crazy people that want to do crazy rides. That's normal. This is crazy. I would never ever go on this ride, especially the Ferris wheel. And also, guys, look over here, look over here. God, it's hot.
Jackson and Liam and Malaya are saying it's too hot to be at the fair, so we're probably gonna go get some slushies.
Yeah, and we're gonna check if there's any animal. Right here, there's no animal.
So far, we don't see any animals out
And we
there.
still have 3 more places to check, guys.
Yeah, Jackson, we're trying to.
First off, please like and subscribe, of course, guys.
Yes, guys, please like
Like and subscribe. Do it for Mr. Beast. Do it for Jimmy.
Jackson, what happened? Jackson, are you hot?
Comment down below what's your favorite chocolate. Mine's is Feastables.
What about you, Jackson?
I have no.
Yeah.
Hershey's, the white Hershey's. No, Hershey's is Mr. Beast's enema.
Let's go through the shade, guys.
Hershey's is
There's no more animals, guys. All right.
I see an animal.
You pointed at me. We are here at the Stanislaus County Fair. Hey, look, there's an animal over here. Jackson, look. Come here. Jackson, look.
Jackson, look at this animal over here.
Meh. I tricked you. You didn't pop her.
Look, guys, look that way. Look that way, guys. Got it.
Where?
I got you guys again.
I'm so lost. I don't remember how we got in. Do you? It's this way, guys. It's this way.
Guys, I can't tell if that's a sheep or a llama. Can you guys comment down below?
Oh, look at pictures in the car.
Guys, this feels like a stuffed animal. It's so soft. Look, guys. It's eggs. Is it eggs? Yeah. It's eggs. Little egg. Guys, look. Look at this cow. It looks so big. Hello, cow.
Bruh.
Hello, cow. Look, there's more. This is the biggest animal so far. These are black ones. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. That's good. Wait, what color is it? Is it actually white? No, it's not white. I barely see anything, guys. Just squeezing it. Just squeezing the milk. Well, that's not milk, that's water.
Alea, what are you doing? You're gonna get milk out? Okay, guys, let the little girl do it. See, come on. Oh, the cow got closer.
Hey guys, look over there. Screaming like wanting to be. No, just kidding.
Good job, mommy.
We didn't even see these.
Malaita saw those, yeah? What are these? Oh, I would hate to have so many flies on me. I hate flies. Yeah, look, that's what I was just saying. What is that? Beef cattle. Maybe chickies. Malaya's showing us where to go next. Oh my gosh, look it. There's more over here. Let's go. Malaya, you could go in there.
Guys, look at this. What is he touching? It's a rabbit. He looks scary. Yeah, these look pretty scary. And look, there's more on the bottom. That one has a water bottle. The eyes is pretty scary. What color is their eyes? Brown or black?
That's a big food, huh? How many pigs?
So many pigs.
Don't forget to pet the animals.
Would you pet them?
Yeah.
Oh! Hello? Hello, donkey. Oh! Whoa! Oh! Okay, I'll pet you. Oh, way too many flies. Oh, okay, I don't know what to do. There's so many flies in the chicken. Oh, fine,
Jaxie.
This one's skin.
Oh, that's sunken ship. Yeah.
Oh, hi guys. We were going to go get slushies. Guys, we were gonna go on the rides, but it was too hot to go on the rides, so we ended up didn't going on the rides. But we did show you guys the animals and everything. So we're gonna go get slushies. We're gonna bring you with us, guys. First things first, you know to like and subscribe. I told you this. Hi guys, sorry we couldn't bring you for you guys to. Hi guys, sorry you guys couldn't see me refill my slushie. Here, you know it says big gulp. I'm gonna gulp it. Comment what's your favorite game. You can say Roblox, Fortnite, Minecraft, all the other games. Comment down below.